Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can remove a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit the Delete button next to Edit One and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!